everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and feeling great today. In this video, we are going to practice English speaking at home in a very simple, easy, and effective way. This lesson is perfect for beginners and also for those who understand English but feel shy when it comes to speaking. So, if you really want to improve your English speaking skills, just relax, stay focused, and speak with me. Before we begin, I want to tell you something very important. You do not need any partner to practice English. Yes, you can learn and improve your English at home, all by yourself. You just need consistency, confidence, and a little bit of patience. Now take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's start speaking. I want you to repeat after me. I am learning English that I am practicing English at home. I want to speak English fluently that I am improving day by day. Very good. Let's repeat once again. I am learning English that I am practicing English at home. I want to speak English fluently that I am improving day by day. Great. Now, look around you. Observe your surroundings and try to speak about what you can see. For example, I am sitting in my room, there is a chair next to me, there is a table in front of me. My phone is in my hand, the room is quiet and comfortable. Now it's your turn. Try to make your own sentences. Take a few seconds and speak. Good job. Now let's talk about your daily routine. Listen carefully and then repeat. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have my breakfast. After that, I start my work or studies that I end the evening. I relax and spend time with my family that at night. I go to bed. Now repeat these sentences. Very nice. Now try to speak about your own daily routine in your own words. Take your time and speak slowly. Excellent. Now imagine you are standing in front of a mirror. Speak with confidence. Hello, my name is, your name. I am learning English that I am not afraid of speaking English. I can speak English that I will speak English confidently. Say it again with more confidence. Remember, confidence is more important than perfection. Now let's train your mind to think in English. Repeat after me. I am thirsty. I want to drink water. I am hungry. I want to eat food. I am tired. I want to take rest. I am happy. I feel good today. Very good. Now try to think your own thoughts in English. Even small sentences are okay. Now let's practice a real-life situation. Imagine you are ordering food. Hello, I would like to order a burger. Can I get a cold drink with that? How much is it? Thank you so much. Now repeat these sentences. Great. Now try to make your own conversation. Very good. Now I want you to speak for 1 minute without stopping. You can talk about anything. For example, today, I am practicing English at home. I feel happy because I am learning something new. I want to improve my speaking skills that I will practice every day. Now start speaking. Don't stop. Just speak. Amazing. Always remember one thing. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a part of learning. The more you speak, the better you become. If you practice like this every day, even for 10 minutes, you will see a big improvement in your English. You will become more confident. And slowly, you will start speaking fluently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep practicing, keep learning. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.